Ladies and gentlemen, the following program is incorporated and clutched tightly to the Fair Use Copyright Sections 107 of 1976, as you can see on your screen. This is going to be a good one. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Pro V, and this is another edition of As the Stem Turns. And on this episode, folks, well, in light of recent events which have occurred, I would like to do a throwback. And in light of Cherry going to court tomorrow, the 18th, well, it's only fitting that I review this video since there's a lot of eyes on the product now. So, without any further ado, what you've all been waiting for, let's get right to the show. And shout out to all the new subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the support. And once again, excuse me, hope you guys are taking care of yourself and each other, of course. Let's go.
Hey.
All right, now we're going to slow it down here. We're going to slow things down just a tad. Okay? All right.
What's up, bro? What's up?
Whoa! Pressed the wrong button. We're going to slow things down. We don't need the sound. That's just too annoying. But guys, what you're about to see is something that your eyes won't deceive. It's not an illusion. It's not something that's hearsay. It's actual something you can see with your eyes, guys. And you're about to see it right here. I know you guys see that. Let me just say, ladies and gentlemen, this looks like a tail, and this looks like a knot, a little Baggy, right in his hands. Now, guys, there's been all this deny, right? Okay? And it's just, I want to say, I'm the most positive and outgoing, most happy-go-lucky person in the world, right? So I just want to say, this ain't good. This ain't good. You know, there was a time when I used to watch the RRU, and probably just like you. And I started to notice things, guys. I started to notice things that didn't make sense. But then, you know, I was like, oh, that's just a coincidence, or that happens. You know, that happens. But then more and more things started to happen. And I realized, you know, I'm not freaking crazy seeing things like this and hearing things from people. But, you know, the more and more I show, the more and more I say. I mean, obviously, we're growing strong at 1900. And I'd like to say that more people are becoming aware. But, you know, there's a lot of people in denial. You know, psychologically eating at your brain, it's like a disease that people don't understand. I don't know. Some people just are not aware. Or are in denial. If you're unaware, if you're not aware yet, that's fine. You know, I have people attack me all the time. But this, what are you gonna attack me about this? What did I do? There's nothing that I've done. And then when you hit play, let's see what happens. Oh, Reaching back. Is it still in his hand? Let's see. Is it still in his hand? Let's see. Oh, I don't think so. Either way, guys. Either way, you know what? I just want to say if more and more people are aware to this type of thing, that's great. It's a good thing. It's a good thing, guys. It's a good thing.
Come on, open the door. Rev, open your door, Rev. Oh, I see. This the handle right here. Y'all done got the good Rev.
Oh, he told me new.
Y'all done got the good Rev to bring y'all over here again.
I said I'm gonna put that thing in again.
Y'all taking advantage of the good Rev again?
Yeah.
Rev, you got quick. Hey, Rev, you got quick on them benches, Rev.
You know, it seems like every time something happens or goes down, it seems like the Rev is right there. Kind of interesting, guys. I don't know. I don't know. What can you say about this situation, guys? What can you say? Because I'm obviously not going to review this whole video, guys. Obviously. This is the date on this video was what the hell? Why did it say? Why does it say 2 months ago? But then it says December 20th, 2025. Am I in a... What? Huh. It's a re-upload, guys. And he didn't even edit out the... Oh, my gosh. Oh, geez. He didn't even edit out the beginning part where there was a handoff? Whoa. I mean, if it was me, I'd at least make sure everything was straight. Oh, man. Well, I guess you got to do what you got to do. It's interesting, guys. It's very interesting. Anyway, I don't know, guys. It is what it is. I guess it is what it is, right? Also, on the Pro V, straight out of Pro V, guys, we got a new name. Straight out of Pro V. No longer Belly of the Beast. Oh, no, it's straight out of Pro V. I got to change the channel logo. But right now on the channel, guys, we have Lisa. He gives rugs for interviews, and he put Pew Pew head Robs. You guys know what I'm saying. So there's that video. It's a little bit edited, guys. I had to edit it down for YouTube purposes. I got it taken away, and then I had it reinstated. So check out that video. Three strikes, copyright, channel to be removed in 7 days. Check out that video, guys. It's got 4 strikes in a matter of a few hours. You know, it was a wild Friday the 13th. Crazy. Breaking news. Cherry writes me a cease and desist. Oh, it's true, folks. There is a cease and desist letter written. Oh, gosh. Ah, man. Well, you know, I really can't say too much on this. I'll let you guys know on Saturday Night Live how I really feel on the topic. There's a few other little topics that I want to talk about, but guess what? Saturday Night Live. Oh, it's going to be crazy this week. Oh, this Saturday is going to be nuts. Oh my gosh, this Saturday is going to be crazy, guys. Don't forget, Cherry has court tomorrow morning along with Marley Krabs, and she will be arrested, guys, because she has a warrant. Or I don't even think she's going to show up to court, actually, because she doesn't want to, she doesn't want to deal with that. You know how she rolls. 22-year-old ruining her life. What can you say? What can you say that hasn't been said? Well, Saturday Night Live, 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, 7 p.m. Eastern, 6 o'clock p.m. Central. I will be live Saturday on this channel spilling my fucking guts. Because I delete my lives, guys. I don't want no bullshit. So I will be spilling my fucking guts on this live stream. Coming up Saturday night about every single thing that's happening this week. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good day. Bye.